I'm Quincy with the LSU Ag Center. Don't throw out that leftover turkey. We're going to make some turkey taco soup. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is spray my pan with a little bit of oil. And I'm going to add my onions and garlic. Give those a good stir. We've got our turkey and shredded. And I'm going to throw that in with my onions. It'll liven that flavor back up. And I was fortunate to have a little bit of the drippings left over, so we're going to use that. We're going to season with a little bit of Creole seasoning. Next thing we're going to do is add in our black beans. And you can do this in any order. It doesn't have to be this particular order once we get going with the other ingredients after the turkey. Got our black beans in there. We've got some diced tomatoes with green chilies. We've got a can of chili beans. And we have gone with the no sodium, low sodium, no salt added. The lower the sodium, the better. Because a lot of that leftover turkey you're going to be adding in has already been seasoned. So you should be good to go. You'll just give it a little taste before you start. We've got some pinto beans going in. All right, next up, the tomato sauce. Do a couple cans of that. And this is really to taste too. So if you like a little less tomato flavor in that, you can back off on it. We're just going to add, I'm going to go with 1.5. And then we'll see what our consistency's like. We'll kind of let this cook for just a minute or so. And now we're going to add our chicken stock. Again, low sodium, reduced sodium. We've got 3 cups of that going in. And last but not least, we're going to add in our taco seasoning. That's 2 tablespoons. Give or take a little bit. There we go. Okay, and we've got this on medium high. We're going to let it continue on that till it comes to just a little bit of a boil, and then we'll lower it. And it should simmer about 25 to 30 minutes on low, and then all the flavors should be incorporated, and it will be good to go. We're ready to serve our turkey taco soup. I'm just going to ladle some up. It smells really good. All right, there we go. And to top it, I've got some tortilla chips. I also like to hit it with a little bit of purple onion, some fresh diced avocado, and a little squeeze of lime on the top. And you can also add cheese. So that's one great way to use your leftover turkey. Happy holidays from the LSU Ag Center.